Today we're replacing the cabin filter on a 2013 Ford Fusion. Note that this is for the model year 2013, so there may be slight variations with newer model years. Please note you're doing this at your own risk. But that being said, why pay a dealer when with basic hand tools in 20 to 30 minutes of your day you can do it yourself and save? With that, let's take a look at some of the hand tools you'll need. First off, we have a mini pry bar made of plastic. We have a 1/4-inch drive, 7mm deep well. Very important it's 1/4-inch drive, not 3/8 drive. You'll see why in a minute. And a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Alright, let's get started here. Side panel comes off pretty easily. Little metal clips, once one starts popping out, the rest will follow suit pretty easily. Go ahead and get that pulled off of there. You can see the clips. And from there, start pulling your vent and your trim piece off. Same thing, little clips hold it in place, and don't show your kids this video, otherwise they'll start tearing your car apart the next time they're mad at you. From here, very important, you have a 1/4-inch drive, short well with extension or deep well, because these are 7mm, and the bolt you'll see in a second here, you cannot get a 3/8 inch drive in there. The gap between the dash and the glove box edge is too small, so you definitely need a 1/4-inch drive here. But go ahead and just take these bolts out, and there's 2 more bolts on the top. Those are pretty easy to get to here. You take those out, and then the glove box is ready to pop out. This is where my phone overheated, so time for the flashlight section. And with a little finesse, this comes right out. From here, make sure you get your electrical connector for your glove box light. And you have 2 Phillips head screws, one on the right, one on the left. They have yellow on them. There's also clips in here. You just pop the clips, and then the door covering the air filter will pop right open. And from there you can pull the air filter out. 9 years worth of gunk and all the stuff you've been breathing in your car. It looks wonderful, doesn't it? So we got a K&N air filter. You don't necessarily have to have a K&N, but we had the VF 2050 here. And the key thing with this is make sure that tab is pointing towards the passenger seat. So when you go to install, there's your tab pointing towards the passenger seat. And just go ahead and slide it on in. And the assembly is pretty much the reverse of the disassembly. Just shut your door and reclip the clips on either side. Put your screws back in, which we didn't get video of here, but make sure you reconnect your glove box light. And then finesse your glove box in. Sometimes finesse means hitting it with your hand once or twice, but you get the idea. From there, put your bolts in on the top and tighten them up. Put your bolts in on the bottom and tighten those up as well. Put your trim back in, a little tap to click it back into place, and click your side panel on, and you're done, folks. You saved yourself some money. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.